Welcome to Rhymes Times Thoughts, an everyday guy, everyday thoughts, talking about random things in the past, present, and future. So tune in, and thank you for tuning in. Rhymes Times Thoughts is coming up right now.
Hey guys, welcome to Rhymes Times Thought. You could catch me on Instagram, you could catch me on Twitter, you could catch me on YouTube. Hey, we're showcasing stories of experience that inspire us all. Today we are going to take a look at a story that might just inspire you to pack up and hit the road from some new experience. Yeah, we're talking staying at the French Camp RV Resort in Manteca, California. That's where I'm staying. We're full-timers. That's a popular term of people selling their house or they picked up and they just want to travel and so forth. So I'm going to take a look at that every week, talk about new adventures, maybe meet new people, tell their stories and stuff like that. So we're definitely going to have some fun, talk about some great things like that. So what we're going to talk about, what a new adventure. I mean, isn't that what it's all about? Let's start with the resort itself. It's nestled in the outskirts of Manteca. It's surrounded by lush greenery, by a vineyard. It's a resort boost. There's around 198 RV spots, full-time hookups, amenities. They have swimming pools, they have clubhouse, they have laundry facility. It's a great spot if you want to live an environment where it's back to nature. You find your outside adventure that you could do. So basically, we want to talk about. It sounds great, right? But there's a couple things that we all want to make sure we kind of touch. But we're definitely going to talk about every week stories of something like some mysteries, right? What's going on at French Camp? Like who pulled in? What happened? Did someone hit the electrical bots and so forth, or just learning some new things? Like you have a great people come from working nurse contracts, looking at railroads. Talk about they have softball tournaments and baseball tournaments at the Dreams Field of Dreams in Manteca. That's a great thing. You have Great Wolf Lodge, or the slides there. So what is the life of RV full time? It sounds pretty good, doesn't it? It really is you would think it's a consistent on vacation. But reality is that can be a bit of a challenge. I mean, you have to adapt to living in a smaller space. That's a big thing. But there are ways to make it work. You have people that are full-time residents use the outdoor space. They hang out at the pool. They have clubhouse. They do some gatherings. It's almost like having a neighborhood living on a court. A same atmosphere, but you get different neighbors moving in as well. You have the steady group of people that are always here. So there's always some action going on at the Manteca French Camp RV. And of course, when we start traveling more, we will have some more fun on that. But really, that's what it's all about. So really what we're going to tackle in the next weeks, all that, I don't always have a little series on French Camp RV resort experience that happened over the weekend or week, and then also talk about other things that are going on today in society. So I'm really excited to throw that out to you, let you guys live where I'm at. Maybe you come out one of these days, listen, come out to French Camp RV. Maybe I run into you. You could share your stories with me and really check out the perfect place to really hide away. You can hide away. We had we had a director of Hollywood stayed out here. You don't know who you run into, because what's great about it, like I said, it's outside the city limits. So you're an hour from Sacramento, you're an hour and a half from San Francisco. You might be from the wineries. And then you have like people like me that are full-time right now till we start traveling a little more, that you could actually socialize and have maybe cookouts and stuff like that, because everybody is pretty friendly and open-minded. So I just want to let you know, tune in to join myself and exploring the story of French Camp RV Resorts. We will hopefully join the episode every week, but we will definitely have other things that's going on. But I want you to just stay tuned, keep on having fun, and enjoy Rhymes Times Thoughts, Everyday Guy, Everyday Thoughts. And you want to press like, subscribe, and maybe those are comments of maybe some things to talk about besides French Camp RV. So once again, this is Thomas, Rhymes Times French Camp RV in Manteca, California right now, but we'll be traveling more. Thanks for tuning in.